So we just bought a house and it's an ex-rental, and we've received a little bit of a legacy gift with this house, which is a beautiful splashback to complement the very 80s kitchen that's currently here. Now, eventually we're going to pull down this whole kitchen and redo the whole thing, but in the interim, I do want it to look nice and it's quite functional. So we're going to transform this splashback by peeling off these stickers and painting the 80s tiles that are underneath. And the way we're going to do that is bringing in my friend Mark, the Monarch Man, who's an expert in this field, and he'll be able to show us the tips and the tricks to make sure that we get the job done right with the right tools the first time. These are actually coming off reasonably easy considering how long these might have been here for, because I tell you what, they're pretty greasy. Oh, look at that. So my buddy Mark from Monarch has come to give me a bit of a hand with this painting of the tiles. And as you can see, I've already cleaned them. I've taken all the stickers off. I've washed them all down with a great tile cleaner, which is awesome. Yes. I've got the paint. Let's get it on. I'm ready to go.
Slow down a little bit, okay? Because you've got the right product.
Okay.
And everyone does what you do. There is a critical step. You must firstly apply the tile primer. Why do we do that? Because not only will it make that look better, but this stuff has an etch primer in it which bites onto the tiles, so that sticks better and doesn't chip off. And as well as that, we need to use quality products to put it on. We're going to use a finishing and detail walls, doors, trims brush to cut beautiful edges and no brush marks. Nice. And we're going to use a little Smart Lock foam mini roller because that'll put it on silky smooth. First thing we've got to do is tape up, put some drop sheets down, and we can start the primer.
Let's do it. This primer is going on these tiles so much easier than I thought it was going to, Mark.
Yep.
Is that because we're using a foam roller?
A lot of cases, a lot of DIYs will use microfiber here. I personally like to use foam because it puts on less paint and you get that smoother finish much easier. It's the same with the brush. The reason I'm using this finishing and detail brush is because I can cut those nice, straight, crisp edges, which is going to make it look like it's a professional job.
All we have to do is just let this primer dry for 4 hours. Okay, so the primer's dry. It's been 4 hours, so that's good. It looks so much better already. I can't believe it. Okay, so we can put paint on it now, can't we?
Slow down a little bit. We're going to sand first because we want a smooth finish and we want the top coat to adhere. So let's get stuck in and do that, then we can paint.
Then we can paint, okay. Okay, so we've sanded, we've wiped it all down, it's all ready now. Can we please put some paint on?
Time to paint now.
Great, okay, so what's the theory? How do we do this?
Okay, couple of things we're going to do different. Firstly, we're actually going to roll this on and then we're going to tip it off with a brush. And the reason we do that is to get that professional finish. And these brushes, no brush marks at all, so it's going to look sensational.
Fantastic. So you're not going to get that picture frame effect. You know how it'll be darker
on
the outside?
And that's a key here, because what I'm going to do is use the grid of the tiles. So I'm only going to do a small section at a time, like 6 tiles. Yeah. That way there's no picture framing. Perfect. I don't have to rush and I get that great finish.
Great. All right, let's start. I can't believe how good this looks, Mark. I mean, this is such a brilliant example of a beautiful colour, yeah, but also I would have just whacked the colour on. So it's not just about the paint, is it? This is about the preparation, the technique we used, and using a quality brush and a roller.
That's where you get that professional finish.
How good does it look?
Sensational.
So much better than fruit baskets. And that's going to buy me a bit of time before I have to renovate this kitchen. So thank you, my friend.
Oh.